Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump and prone in PUBG Mobile. We'll start by covering the fundamental controls for these essential movements. You'll learn exactly when to jump to clear obstacles or evade, and when to go prone for stealth or defense. Mastering these actions is crucial for gaining a significant tactical edge and improving your chances of survival in every match. Let's dive right into the mechanics. Jumping isn't just for getting over small walls, it's a powerful evasive tool. You can use it to quickly clear windows or low barriers, giving you a speed advantage. During a close quarters battle, try combining a jump with your shots to make yourself a harder target to hit. This jump shot technique can surprise enemies and help you avoid up to 50% of incoming bullets, giving you a crucial edge. Going prone is your best friend for stealth and defense. When you drop to the ground, your character becomes a much smaller target, reducing your hitbox by approximately 70%. This makes you incredibly difficult to spot, especially in tall grass or behind low cover. Prone also significantly stabilizes your aim, making those long-range sniper shots much more accurate. You can even crawl silently to set up the perfect ambush. Now, let's talk about combining these movements for advanced tactics. The jump prone technique allows you to quickly drop to the ground after a jump, making you incredibly unpredictable. Imagine jumping over a small wall and immediately proning behind it for instant cover. This rapid transition can save your life in intense firefights, allowing you to evade enemy fire and reposition in less than 1 second. Practice these combos to truly outplay your opponents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.